Hi, I'm Michaela.
And I'm Devin, and we're here for another edition of Mission Material Science.
The big question today is, how does the color of an object affect how much sunlight it absorbs?
And we'll find out by melting butter.
For this experiment, you'll need sunlight.
Seriously, if it's a cloudy day, all you really need to do is wait for the sun to come out.
But if it is out, please proceed.
Here's all the things you'll need. Colored paper,
Aluminum foil,
tape,
one large box,
and then a table knife, a ruler, a pen or pencil, and your data sheets.
and don't forget the butter.
Never. We would never forget the butter.
To build your sunlight oven, line the inside of your box with aluminum foil using tape to attach.
And find a place in your house, like near a window, with direct sunlight.
Make sure the sunlight can reach the entire base of the box.
Tape down each paper square flat inside your sunlight oven.
Black, white, blue, and red.
Now comes the butter. Use the knife to cut a 1/8 inch thick slice of butter, then cut crosswise to make 4 equal-sized butter squares.
Okay, so now take a moment to think about the order the butter will melt on the different colors of paper.
Like, remember how it feels to wear a light shirt or a dark shirt on a sunny day? Hint, hint.
Make a prediction. Black first?
Yep, black first, or red, blue.
Oh, just write it down. And you write it down too. Okay, let's find out. Place your butter squares on the different colors and let the sun shine in.
How much time has gone by?
6 minutes.
When's it gonna melt?
Wait, look, it's starting to melt.
What color is it?
Black. Interesting.
Okay, writing down our observations.
Good, we're at 10 minutes now. Which one's melting the fastest? I'm ranking mine's fastest to slowest.
Now we're gonna wait another 5 minutes.
And the butter on the black square is completely melted. What's the time?
We know. You didn't see much of that.
That's because you gotta do it yourselves.
So go ahead, hit pause, and try it. On what color did the butter melt the fastest? Second fastest? Third? Last place? Okay, so what the heck is happening?
Sunlight is made up of many wavelengths of light, all the colors of the rainbow. Dark objects, like our black paper, absorbs many wavelengths of visible light.
Light is energy.
All that energy causes dark paper to heat up fast.
But what about the other colors? The color of the paper that we see is actually the colors of light energy the paper does not absorb. The less light the paper absorbs, the slower it heats up, and the slower the butter melts.
Based on the melting order, can you rank the colors from how much sunlight they absorbed from most to least?
Knowing how materials interact with light will help us decide which shirt to wear on a hot day.
But for scientists, the same idea is helping them develop new materials that can turn sunlight into other forms of clean energy that can help keep our planet healthy.
I'm choosing my colors for staying cool. Just saying.